Hello, I'm Steve G. I normally use the username Brightspark Innovation or Brightspark In, and I just thought I'd bring you all up to date with the latest stage of my Big Track artificial intelligence platform. I haven't actually come up with a decent name for it yet. Yeah, so basically this is the motor driver circuit that I will be using. And I'll be using the motors that are already in the Big Track underneath here. So just to make things a little easier, I'm just using these basic motors and gearboxes just to make sure the actual thing works. So there's a motor here and a motor here, gearboxes, both of them going into either side of this motor driver here. Hopefully I can show you a good shot of it. So there you go. It is a dual H-bridge DC stepper motor drive controller board module Arduino. If you look up them terms on eBay, you'll be able to find it. Its model number is L298N-236. Yeah, and it seems to be doing the job. I've had no overheating problems so far, which is good. And as a microcontroller, I'm using an Arduino Uno loaded with just a modification on the Blink software that comes with the IDE. Yeah, I've just modified it so it's like a bit of a pulse. Don't know if you can see the LED on pin 13 there. So it's a little bit of pulse, just so that we can see that the controller is doing it. Yeah, so, and over here, just using a breadboard just to get all the grounds and lives working together. So, this wire here, at the moment, is plugged into pin 13, runs all the way up here, down to nothing. And then on here, we've got 4 pins here running across here. Now it depends which one of these 4 pins is brought high, controls the direction of the motor. So starting from the left, we've got 1 and 2 that control the left motor, and then 3 and 4 that control the right motor. So just to emulate decent motor driver software, we're gonna pop this on here and bring pin 1 high. There you go. And those pulses aren't me doing it, that is the motor driver itself. And then if you put it on the second one, it goes the opposite direction. And the same over here. A little harder to show you. So we have a good level of success there. Obviously, using a single wire to emulate the software, raising 4 separate pins to control the motors in 4 separate directions, or 2 separate directions for each motor, isn't the wisest idea at the moment. But I just don't happen to have female jumper wires, so yeah, I'm a little bit stuck until I can get something from Cool Components or whatever. Yeah, so it all seems to be working, which is pretty good. I should probably tell you about the power supply. You see a 9-volt battery over there. 9 volts coming in to a common ground over here into the VIN and the ground of the Arduino. So this 9 volt is powering the Arduino, which is also coming out of here, which is the 5 volts out, running over to here into the motor controller board. What that's doing, that's basically powering the board, like the board itself. Yeah, so it brings like power to all the where is it? Oh, the H bridge here, which is this bad boy here with a decent heat shield on it. So it powers the board, like enables it, and then these 4 batteries over here come into here, just over here, and then into this side, which when a pin is enabled over here on the H bridge, it opens one channel up and allows this battery juice to come through here and into the motor that's selected. So this battery pack here is actually what's making the motors go around. I think that's everything. So enjoy.